The following segment is sponsored by Eastern Title and Settlement and the Mortgage Link. The real estate market in the DMV region is one of the most active and dynamic in the country. So joining us today to explain why that is are Luke Fleck from Eastern Title and Settlement, Marielle Kabin from the Realty One Group, along with Carey Riel from the Mortgage Link, who has our deal of the day. Welcome, everybody.
Hey.
Thanks, Kristen.
What's our deal today, Carey?
Well, you know, rates just went down yesterday, dropped to 0.5%, which is the first time we've had a decrease since March of 2020.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, since then we've had 11 increases totaling 5.25%. So yesterday was phenomenal. As a result, you know, rates are much lower. So on a purchase for a 30-year fixed rate on an FHA, we've got 4.75% with 1 point. So if you've not addressed your purchases, revisit with your loan officer, your lenders, see how that impacts your purchasing power.
All right.
It's great. And for those that need to refinance, give us a call today. Anybody that calls today, we will pay for your appraisal with a credit.
Great deal.
Yeah.
Always come with the deals. All right, Marielle, why is DMV area, why are we so hot? A hot place to be?
Well, here in the DMV area, it's a smart choice to invest in because we have such a diverse economy that has stable employers such as the federal agencies, the tech companies, the healthcare sector, and what they provide for us is a strong job market that shields us from economic downturns.
Right.
So we got a lot of everything all the time, coming in and out all the time. So
job security is always good when you're buying a home, right? You know, you might be there for a little while.
Absolutely. And what that does is it secures the home value. So if you're thinking of being here for the short term or the long term, the investing in the area is going to be primal. Appreciation rates here in the DMV is also exceeds the national average. Nationally, it's about 3 or 4%, and in the DMV, it actually exceeds that to 6 to 8% in the last 5 years.
It's like more than double, almost more than double, right? Yeah,
absolutely.
What are you seeing from your clients? Like, are they wanting to be in the city, or are they more in the burbs? What's been kind of the place to be right now?
It's a mix of everything.
Yeah.
This area has high demand and low inventory. There's always going to be a high desire to be closer to the nation's capital, but there's only so much they can develop. So thinking about it from an investment standpoint or to be your primary home, investing in real estate here for the long term is always going to be a smart decision.
All right. And Luke, Marielle said it, like, high demand, low inventory. So it's something that's constantly moving and changing, going fast.
Yeah, absolutely. And you see it a lot right now at closings. It's like she said, it's the people in the secure job markets coming through, government workers, financial employees, big tech companies, or even the pharmaceutical guys coming through, and they're the ones that are making these sound investments right now in this area.
Yeah. What do you say about, I want to get back on this rate thing because I know everybody was kind of talking about it. So how do you approach that with your clients?
Well, when we talk about rates, it makes things more affordable. But what that's also going to do is push prices a little bit higher. But in this DMV area, like I said, people are coming in and out all the time. So if you have something, and if you can get into the job market, if you can get into the real estate market, it's the best time to get in and hold it.
I like that. Okay.
You know, rates are the lowest they've been in over a year.
Yeah.
So, and we've talked about this because of the low inventory. Hopefully you've not waited too long. You know, the rates come down, more people that have been kind of waiting well over a year for rates to come down, now they're coming off the fence. You're gonna have a lot more competition for that lower inventory. So, which is great for appreciation if you own your property, but yeah, get in now, call people, just, you know.
And we've talked about this before because of that, like getting pre-approved or getting all your financials in order before, right? You don't want that hiccup and then lose that property.
Absolutely. What's going to be beneficial for you is being ready. The best time to buy a house is from September 29 to October 4.
Oh, that's right around the corner,
That's right around the corner. That's right around the corner. So those that are ready right now are going to be in the best possible position to buy a home.
All right, well, you got a good team to get you here ready. We want to give you another look at the deal of the day. Don't want to miss out on this. For more information, the number to call is 833-MTG-LINK or visit themortgagelink.com. Great information as always, guys. Thank you so very much. And be sure to follow the Real Estate Top Performers on YouTube. You can get even more advice on buying and selling a home in today's market. Great day. I'll be right back.